This is Discover 4, Unit 11 and 12 speaking test. My name is Mikey. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, teacher. My name is Chi. I'm 15 now, and I'm from this class Discover 4D. Today, I'm going to talk about viruses, some common viruses, and how our body fight these viruses.
Okay, very good. Right, let's start on the first part then. Viruses. What do you know about them?
Um, I have learned some about virus. Virus is an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat. It is too small to be seen by light microscope and is able to multiply only within the living cell of host.
Okay, nice. So what happens to our bodies if the viruses manage to get in?
Mm, Viruses are very dangerous and is cause many diseases to our body. Uh,
Mhm.
I can add some example for this that some common viruses are um, herpes simplex virus, influenza viruses, and rubella. Um, Herpes simplex viruses can cause encephalitis because of the reactivations of the virus in the body.
Mhm.
Influenza can cause the flu and cold, which is more severe cases can lead to death.
Cool. Yeah, nice knowledge there. Thank you, Chi. So what is this virus? What can you tell me about it?
Um, I think that is influenza viruses. What I say that influenza virus can cause flu and cold, which in some cases can lead to death. Uh, some common symptoms of these viruses are high fever of about 39 degrees Celsius. We will
Mhm.
have headache, sore throat, and much fatigue. The most effective way to prevent these viruses is to get the vaccine, wash our hands often with soap, increase nutrients, and do more exercise.
Brilliant. Yeah, nice, well put together thoughts there. Good job. Um, how can these viruses enter our body? Do you know?
Um, in cold weather or some day as the atmosphere is wet, we will
Hmm.
breathe in these viruses through our nose or mouth.
Good. Yeah, so we can breathe them in. They can go in by scrape or cut, or if we have them on our hands and we touch our mouth, nose, or eyes, they can enter that way as well. Okay, cool. So fighting viruses, how can our body do this?
Um, our bodies have an immune system, and they will help us protect our body from some viruses. There are 5 steps to protect our body from viruses. Step one is skin. Uh, Skin is top layer is made of dead cells, so viruses can find live cells to infect. But if you have a cut or scrape, viruses may get in and infect the live cells underneath your skin. Step 2 is no hairs. When you breathe in viruses, some of them get trapped in your nose hair. Nose hair will block viruses so they don't get into the body. Step 3 is mucus fluid in our body. Mucus carry the viruses to the back of the throat where they are swallowed. Step 4 is stomach acid. When the viruses reach your stomach, they are usually destroyed by stomach acid, but sometimes a few viruses get past this first defense, then they are able to infect the cells. For that reason, step 5 is the most important step to fight the virus. Step 5 is white blood cell. When our cells are under attack, white blood cells come and kill the viruses or the infected cell. If we don't have
Fantastic.
this immune system, we will be able to be attacked by viruses.
Brilliant. Yeah, that was amazing, to be honest with you. Really, really detailed answers. Very good. Okay. The respiratory system. What is the main job of the respiratory system?
Like what I have learned, the respiratory system brings oxygen into our body and take carbon dioxide out of the body.
Perfect. Yeah, good. What are the main parts of the respiratory system?
The major part of the system is nose, mouth, the trachea, the lungs, and the diaphragm.
Good. Well done. Where is the diaphragm? Can you describe it to me?
The diaphragm is in the pictures, right?
Yeah. Whereabouts in the picture?
Is maybe that under the throat.
Under the throat here?
Yes.
Not quite. Nope.
Or the um
Remember, it controls the lungs, controls the size of the lungs. So whereabouts will it be?
it has two tubes connected to the lungs, right?
These two?
Yes.
No.
No.
The diaphragm is a muscle that controls the size of our lungs.
Control.
It makes them bigger and smaller. So where must it be?
I don't know too much about biology, but I think that is under the mouth or the 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 what thing is red and under the lungs, right?
Yeah, the diaphragm is this large muscle underneath the lungs, okay, that contracts and expands, and it makes the lungs bigger and smaller when we want to breathe. Okay, the next is the circulatory system. Can you tell me what the main job of this system is?
The circulatory system carries oxygen and food to all of the cells in your body. It then removes carbon dioxide and other waste product from those cells.
Okay, good. And what are the main parts of the circulatory system?
The major part of the system is the heart.
Good.
The heart, the arteries, the veins, the capillaries, and the blood that move through those parts.
Yeah, well done. Exactly. So, can you explain how the respiratory system and the circulatory system work together?
I will talk about more, is not too much details, but these two systems work together as one to bring oxygen rich blood to every part of your body within 1 minute. They do this 24 hours a day while you sleep, eat, and study and play.
Yep. Okay. And do you know the order in which it happens, or are you not sure?
I think that the heart will will add some blood to some part in our body, and then the part will remove and move back to the heart, like what I have learned.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, the air goes into the lungs.
Yeah.
The lungs have capillaries, which then take it to the vein. Okay, it takes it to the left side of the heart. Then once it goes to the left side of the heart, it's pumped through the arteries to the rest of our. Then, obviously, when we have used the oxygen, it is taken back to the heart in the veins, which is then pumped back into the lungs, and then we can breathe out. Okay, Chi, what are your opinions on exercise?
In my opinion, exercise is really good for our health. Exercise is not only good for the body, but it also improves the mind and mood.
Nice.
Exercise will help your heart, lungs, and muscle develop. The heart is a large muscle mass, and exercise means a stronger heart. When you work hard, your lungs will be trained to become strong. Then the stronger the
Good.
lungs
Yeah,
are,
nice ideas there. I like that a lot.
the stronger the
Finished?
yeah, I have a little bit. The stronger
Okay.
the lungs are, the more efficient the respiratory system will be. Sport
Brilliant.
exercise also have strengthened muscles. It makes them stronger and more flexible.
Nice. Yeah, fantastic. That was a really good summary. I like that. Okay, and then finally, and healthy.
Uh, to stay healthy, we need to do very many things to stay healthy. But I will add some major things to do. Uh, First, we need to remember to wash your hands often each day with soap. Don't touch our eyes, nose, or mouth with your finger. And we need to remember to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you sneeze or cough. Stay healthy by eating more healthy food and doing more exercise.
Good. Okay. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, that's the end of the presentation. So thank you very much for that. Well done, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.